Hello traders, and welcome back to another video here. This is Tradehub, and for this one we'll be going over the top common mistakes beginner stock investors and traders make in the stock market. Again, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like. Please feel free to leave some comments down below, share some of your thoughts and ideas. I would definitely love to read them and interact with my viewers here on this channel. So I guess we'll begin by one mistake that new investors typically make is FOMO, also known as fear of missing out. So let's say you see I'm using the S&P 500, US 500 as an example chart to reference as the typical mistakes beginner investors make. So as we can see here, we see an uptrend, right? And when people usually see an uptrend, they typically want to buy in, but they may wait until a very long time, right, to see that there is a confirmation that there is a long-term uptrend. Otherwise, we could get see something like this where it goes up and just takes a massive drop, so it isn't a strong support level where there's a consistent uptrending pattern. So the new investor will typically buy in as it uptrends and waits and then buys maybe at this range here, and then they'll see the stock drop in price. That's one mistake. They then wait for the perfect opportunity to buy in. They just went along without any real preparation or risk management as to why the stock may continuously uptrend, and therefore they may just buy into the stock and then lose their value immediately. Maybe sometimes it could be 2%, 5%, 10, 20, and so on. So that's number one, fear of missing out. Number two would be panic selling. So basically, they see a drop, right? They see a long-term uptrend. They think it's a good time to buy in. They see a dip here, and they immediately sell because they panicked. They were fearful of losing their money, so they sold for a loss. Depends on how far the stock dipped. Ultimately determines how much you would lose off that investment. However, you know, if you don't sell, you will typically, for example here, the S&P, you'll get a dip and it'll bounce back up, and where you'll get your monies back, and on top of that with some capital gains. So that's definitely two, is panic selling. And I'm just gonna do up to three here, and that is not doing the fundamentals, the research. Again, as you can see here, the technical sides can only tell you so much about what's going to happen in the market. While it is a good tool to definitely use. Indicators such as the MACDs, where it's oversold or maybe overbought, or RSIs and MACDs where it crosses between the zero lines. As you can see, the cyclic pattern here, it's not always good to rely just on those, but also very important to look at the economics and where, if you're investing into a company, where that company is at in terms of earnings per share, how much revenue they're making, how much are they paying, just pretty much growing as a company overall. So those are the three main beginner mistakes a new investor or trader makes in the stock market. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And see you on the next one.